Hi, I'm Sean, and today we're going to talk about drill downs. Drill downs enable us to change the granularity of our data. So whether it's going from a hospital level to a unit level, or going from a year to a month level, drill downs enable us to do this. Drill downs also enable us to get summaries of specific parts of our data within a report. So without further ado, let's hop into it. As you can see here, I have my education by month open, and the first thing we're going to talk about is our drill down arrows. As we can see, we have 4 different options with these drill down arrows, and we're going to start from the left and work our way across. First is our drill up, which once clicked, our whole chart drills up from a month level to a year by year level. Next is a single downward arrow that once clicked highlights, which means I can interact with a piece of data on that report. So for example, if I click on the bar chart that represents 2020, my whole chart now only shows months from 2020. Now if I do that again with 2019, as you can see my button's still highlighted. Clicking on 2019, my chart updates to just the months from 2019. Next we have our 2 arrows down. Once I click on this, it expands it but forgets about the year and only shows us months, so we see from January to December. Now if we want to see the month with the year, I'll simply drill back up and I'll click on this fork in the road type of arrow down. Once clicked, I can see 2019 September, 2019 October. I can see the year and the month. Next, we're going to talk about drill throughs. For drill throughs, I'm going to be using the Education by Facility report. Drill throughs enable us to get a summary of a specific piece of data from our report. For example, say I'm interested in this unit here, I can right click on it, go down to drill through and click on unit summary. Once clicked, we're brought to a summary page for specifically that unit, and also gives us a breakdown day by day for education assignment rates. If we want to get back to our original chart, we simply click on the arrow here, and we're brought right back to where we started. To show that again with another unit, for example this one here, I would right click again, go down to drill through, click unit summary, and again I'm brought to a summary page specific to just that unit. And to return to our original page, simply click on that arrow back again, and we're brought back to where we started. Finally, to finish it out, I'm going to use the drill up buttons that we saw in the months and year, just to show how to use it with units and hospitals. So let's start with our button on the far left to drill up. Once clicked, I'm brought to a hospital level, so if I had multiple sites, you'd see them all here, and I could simply hover over anything here and I'd be able to get all of our figures rolled up. Next, we'll click on that drill down button and click on our hospital. Once clicked, our hospital will expand to show all of its units. Again, let's drill back up and let's click on those 2 arrows down. Once clicked, again, it expands. And let's click the fork in the road. Once clicked, we can see OneView Medical Clinic is involved in the name. This is helpful in case we have multiple sites and we want the unit name and the site name, similar to our 2020 September, 2020 October, and so on. That's been drill downs. Again, we can use our drill downs to go from a hospital level to a unit level, or a unit to hospital level, or similar enough, we can go from a month to a year level, or year to a month level. Also with drill downs, if we right click on something, we can get a summary of that piece of data. Thanks for listening.